Are you facing issues with maps not working on your Apple Watch? It usually happens due to connection problems, outdated software, or location settings being turned off. In this video, I'll show you how to fix maps not working on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you're connected to your internet network, like Wi-Fi or mobile data. You have a stable internet connection. Turn on and off airplane mode. Now try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Turn on the location. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Privacy and Security. Then tap Location Services. Now toggle on the location services here and make sure to enable the precise location from below as well. Solution 2. Enable map settings. Grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, scroll down to the bottom. Scroll down to the maps. Tap on it. Here you will need to enable all the settings. Solution 3. Force restart Apple Watch. Press and hold both the side button and the digital crown simultaneously for at least 10 to 15 seconds until the Apple logo appears. Now hold off and wait to restart. And folks, this is the way to fix your maps not working issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.